Alright, we'll move so I can get out the fucking door.
I guess you shouldn't say that. It's going on YouTube. People think I'm racist or something. This camera's so damn blurry. What if we do that and then... I'm gonna have to get a better fucking phone. Hey, come here. Hold this at my bike. Videotape me. It's recording. Did you push the button? Well, that's what we're riding, and this is what the girls are riding. They're riding the lazy boy. Fucking yardman steering. Everything's all aligned good. They got a wet seat to sit on. And I'm riding the Honda. Will's riding the fucking YZ. Fucking give her a bite! Fucking takes like 20 minutes to get ready to go for a ride. Holy Jesus.